There is one settings nobody explained or talked about Safari on your iPhone. These settings allow Safari to load a website before you even tap on your device. And this might be something you need to take a look at and take a powerful decision on your own while using Safari on your device. Before I explain what this particular setting does, let's go ahead and see these settings on our iPhone. Go to the settings button on your iPhone, tap on it. Scroll down to the base and tap on apps. From the list of apps here, locate and tap on Safari. You can as well search for Safari on the taskbar or tap on it. Once tap on this button, then under search, locate and tap on preload top 8. Before you turn off these settings, let me explain what it does. When you try to open this website on your Safari browser and you start typing on your keyboard, suggestion will come out, and if it predicts correctly, then the website will load without any delay. And what does this mean is that this might be accessing your data without even your permission, and you know what it means? It might compromise some of the things you have on your device. So as for me, I always turn it off so that I want to prevent Safari from predicting for me what I want to tap or what I want to type on the browser. So if you really want to enjoy the best of Safari, go ahead and tap on these settings and turn it off. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.